I'm going to take you through examples of interactive presentations created in Displayr. There are 2 key benefits to interactive documents like this. 1, they make presentations more engaging. Data can be hidden and revealed by hovering. This makes the patterns in the data easier to see, as there are less numbers on the page. And it engages the viewer, so they feel more involved. 2, questions can be answered as they are asked, with no need to go back to your desk and redo the work. They allow users to self-service, which makes everything faster for them and uses up less resources for you. This is an interactive presentation. It looks a lot like PowerPoint. However, the content is interactive. Note that good in a crisis is currently the 2nd most important trait, at 20%. What happens if we filter to look at the attitude of Republicans? It's now most important, with a score of 23%. Note also that the text at the top has automatically updated. The ability to filter your presentation live makes presentations more engaging, as your audience can ask questions and interact, giving them ownership of the knowledge that is being created. As you can see, you can make a striking presentation. This beautiful example shows us that if a bubblegum company offers only cola and classic bubblegum, its reach is 75%. What happens when we add in strawberry? The reach goes up to 89%. And then apple? It only goes up another 3% to 92%. Of course, we can do a full turf analysis to automatically find the full portfolio. And here's another great example, where a brand map is shown with cans representing the brands, and the whole thing is designed to look like a vending machine. The user can change the demographics and the results change. We are currently looking at the data for people aged 45 or more. Note that enjoy life is seen as being a cola attribute. Let's watch what happens when we instead select the younger crowd. Now, enjoy life has moved to be with the energy drinks at the top right. And here we have a quad map from a driver analysis. Note that for Coke, reliable is in the top right corner. It's an important brand personality attribute in the cola market, and Coke does well on it. What about Coke Zero? And we see that it's got some work to do. These examples all illustrate interactive illustrations in Displayr. They can make presentations more engaging, and they save a lot of time by allowing clients to self-service. Now, if this is the type of analysis and reporting that you want to do, then book a demo with one of our experienced researchers today. We'll tailor the demo exclusively for you. Just pick a time that works for you, and you'll have your very own free session with a Displayr expert.